So it's the Sunday evening, and like whole day I was doing editing of my last video, the one which is uploaded before this video. So I was doing editing of that and I couldn't paint, but like an hour ago I started painting, and I think we are on the final stage of this painting. I'm happy with how it's going, and I think I'll be able to complete this within a week, or let's see. But yeah, because it will take around 1 month before I varnish it, so I have to wait for it to dry completely so that I can varnish it. I made myself a smoothie, which is actually little too sweet for me, but it was nice. It's just a basic banana smoothie. I thought to have a little chat with you guys, so let's talk about paintings and transporting oil paintings. So transporting this painting, I'm thinking, because the stretcher for this painting is actually the permanent one. I'll have to transport it the same way it is. So this thing, from next time I have to keep in mind that I make the stretcher the removable one, like we call it male female, and this one is the normal one, I guess. Like I don't know what it is called, but yeah, I'll have to look into transporting that. Oh god, I was not expecting this progress in this painting. I worked on the face, I worked on the hair, and it has been quite literally 3 hours, and I was painting. I didn't even look at the time, and this was a very productive session. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night now, and I'll see you tomorrow. So I have washed all of my brush, means I have lathered it with soap, and I'm gonna leave it for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I think I'll have to wash it with water, and let's see if it restores its shape. So I have cleaned my brushes. I mean, I'm not sure that if they bring back the shape of the brush, like the pointedness. For the small brush, it did not work. Although my brushes are clean, the painting is finished. I'm so happy with that. I was not expecting it, although, because yeah, I was just going to paint the body, the hair, the eyes. But yeah, I was so much in the zone to paint that I finished it. Hello. So actually it's a few days later. मैं कुछ भी नहीं की पेंटिंग का, क्योंकि मैं घर गई थी फॉर द लॉन्ग वीकेंड, बट आई एम बैक, सब कुछ अच्छे से वापस चल रहा है. और आई गॉट माई सेल्फ सम न्यू stuff as well, which is one is a daily planner like this, and then I got myself a dot journal to bullet journaling. मेरे को अच्छी practices वापस start करनी थी. वापस क्या, कभी की नहीं मैंने, मेरे को start करनी थी. Like I think it's the best time क्योंकि अक्टूबर चालू है. I can like get into the habit of journaling October, November and December, and then January से I'll do like अच्छे से I'll decorate and like do crafting and stuff with my journal, और मैं अच्छे से manage करूँगी. तो like just to get used to it मैंने अभी start किया. So I got this one और मैंने already इसको start किया है fill करना like October के month के लिए. And बहुत simple सी है, like it has the do more of what you love ऐसे लिखा हुआ है इसके ऊपर. So I need to keep this in mind, इसलिए मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. और एक और मैंने बुलाई थी book. This is like Imagine. This is like a plain one. तो ये I'll use this for sketching, but मुझे जैसा चाहिए था वैसा नहीं था. I got another one, and also मैंने थोड़ा सामान लिया है. So I got like 6 washi tapes like this, and ऐसे alphabets के like to stamp alphabets के. All of these are from Amazon, and I'll link them below if you want to check them out. So it's the Saturday morning and I'm ready to finish the Adi Yogi painting. Actually, I thought it was finished, but there are a little bit of touches to be done to this painting. So I'll do that now, and yeah, I'll film the final reveal reel or a short video for this painting. So I have finished all the tasks which were left in the Adi Yogi painting. I have finally signed the painting, and also I have colored the borders. So it is safe to say that the painting is finished. Also, in the meanwhile, I painted a small little like a summer landscape. I hope you can see this. So yeah, this was a quick little oil painting sketch, and I have like 12 papers. Means we get a oil paper, like a big one. So I've cut it into 12 pieces, and I'm thinking to paint them with such landscapes. So this was number 1. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button and comment your thoughts for the painting of Adi Yogi or for this cute little small piece. Cute little small piece. Cute. Comment your thoughts for this cute little piece, and if you would like to support my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.